Hello everyone, and welcome back. You're in for a treat as we witness karma in action. Yes, for all those moments you felt unfairly treated, rest assured, the universe is on your side and things are about to get very exciting. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show without moving a muscle. And if this is your first time joining us, we're sending you big hugs and a hearty welcome. Around here, it's all about sharing positive energy. Today, we're diving into the idea that what goes around comes around. Those who have wronged you, beware. The universe is preparing to balance the scales. Keep watching as we explore these spiritual confrontations and uncover hidden truths. Remember, for everyone that has crossed you, they will ultimately meet the outcomes of their choices. Embrace the concept of karma and trust that divine forces are looking out for you. Indeed, you are enveloped by a force far greater than any negativity you encounter. So when you face underhanded tactics or outright hostility, know that these will not just backfire, they'll do so massively, up to 30 times over. Why the focus on you? It's simple. You're progressing along an incredible spiritual journey. Now armed with unique insights and a clearer perception of truth, you stand out. You are here for a purpose, perfectly placed to achieve something significant. Resist the temptation to retaliate or get dragged down to their level. Negative energies aim to sidetrack you, using others to cloud your vision. Keep your eyes on the prize, maintain your strength, and have faith in your path. You are on a mission to accomplish wonders, lead every step of the way, and no amount of negativity can halt your progress. As we move forward, consider how every challenge shapes you. These experiences aren't just random, they're tests of your resilience and growth. Every setback refines your character and sharpens your understanding of your mission. So as you continue on this path, think of each obstacle as a stepping stone towards greater wisdom and inner peace. Navigating life's challenges. Do you ever feel like the world is trying to drag you down? It's especially tough for those who aim to live brightly and with intention. Sadly, such positivity can attract negative attention from those lurking in the shadows. People walking a spiritual path often face numerous obstacles, not just from the unpredictability of life, but also from others who are out of sync with their energy. It's shocking to find this negativity in familiar places like work, among friends, or even at home. Often called the Jezebel spirit, this negative force seeks to pull you into despair. Despite this, you can stay hopeful knowing you're under divine protection, making you impervious to these spiritual attacks. Sometimes it seems like problems are hitting you from all sides. However, this onslaught is actually an indicator of your progress towards a larger, more important goal. The good you do can unsettle some, causing them to react out of fear or confusion, because they don't understand the light you carry within. Deciding to leave harmful situations, be it a dead-end job or a toxic relationship, clears the path for better things to come. This decision isn't just about making room, it's about setting the stage for the life and dreams you're chasing. It's tough when you notice things at work or behaviors in others that clash with your values, especially when it's people you once relied on. Realizing they may not be on your side is hard, but it's a crucial insight on your spiritual journey. It gives you a new perspective on who's really there for you. These eye-opening moments, although tough, are ultimately rewarding. They help you avoid bad influences and draw you closer to those who genuinely support your growth. This new understanding is valuable. It helps you steer clear of negativity and build relationships that truly benefit you. Everything in life tends to balance out eventually. Those who do you wrong will face their own challenges in time. Your focus should be on keeping your spirits high and concentrating on the positives in your life. Releasing negativity not only makes you feel lighter, but also opens you up to new and uplifting experiences and connections. As you forge ahead, embrace the changes and let go of the past burdens. These actions strengthen your spiritual resilience and invite real joy and authenticity into your life. Trusting this natural shift from the old to the new can bring immense peace and satisfaction. Embracing change. It's quite curious how often those nearest to us fail to grasp or back the changes we're undertaking in our lives. Surprisingly, it's the strangers who sometimes step forward to provide the encouragement we least expect. This is a natural part of the adventure, saying goodbye to the old, welcoming new beginnings, and believing that you're on the correct trajectory. There will always be individuals who appear to oppose you, hidden in the shadows, wishing for your failure. However, the hostile energy they spread is not for you to worry about. The best course of action is to continue pushing forward, keep a positive outlook, and stay faithful to your principles. When others attempt to pull you down, they want you to respond and lose your composure. But you are stronger than that. You have a greater mission and a tough spirit. By not reacting to their provocations, you might just cause them enough frustration to inadvertently expose their own flaws. The workplace can often feel like a battlefield, filled with competition and jealousy. Some may engage in trivial office politics or outright sabotage to see you fail. Yet, remember that a higher power watches over you, shielding you from such pettiness. These efforts to undermine you are likely to backfire spectacularly. Confronting negativity effectively means simply continuing your path. Your progress and your blessings do not depend on the approval of others. You are destined for greatness, and no one's scheming can stop your advancement. Continue to excel, overcome obstacles, and let your achievements do the talking. As you advance, focusing on your objectives not only boosts your personal development, but also attracts individuals with similar ambitions into your life. These new allies can offer new insights and open doors that propel you even closer to your goals. Resilience in workplace. At work, it often feels like no one notices all the effort you put in. You're always there to help out, taking on extra tasks to support your colleagues. However, when you're the one in need, it seems like everyone just disappears. Even worse, some people seem to enjoy making things harder for you rather than helping out. This can be really tiring and disheartening. Yet you keep going because this challenging path is meant for you to tread. It's your arena for personal growth. The dirty tricks and negative energy sent your way won't have any lasting effect because you are fortified by a strong conviction that no spite can ever truly hurt you. Therefore, keep your chin up during these hard times. Facing these challenges is not just about getting through them, it's about growing through them. You're headed towards a brighter future, a place untouched by darkness. There's a higher plan in place for you, one that doesn't include those filled with resentment. Forget about their minor schemes and watch as fate catches up with them. They will soon understand that they underestimated your resilience. Those trying to dim your brightness won't be able to follow where you're headed, to a realm of optimism and meaningfulness that they can't even conceive of. Push on. A significant breakthrough is just around the corner. Stay tough and keep your focus, for no negative attempt against you will prevail. Moreover, view every challenge as a chance to prove your strength. Every hurdle offers lessons about your abilities and deepens your understanding of your mission. These experiences enrich not only your professional life, but also your personal growth, equipping you with the character needed to transcend the everyday and possibly take on leadership roles. Overcoming challenges. Those who've been undermining you will soon experience the fallout from their actions. Remember, you're not alone. God is watching over you, encouraging you to keep going and steer clear of unnecessary disputes. In today's chaotic world, it's crucial to keep a positive mindset. When you're up against tough times or negative vibes, don't back down or throw in the towel. You were chosen for this journey, and you're fully equipped to face these obstacles. Recognize your worth and don't waste your energy on people who don't appreciate you. God is ready to take care of those who have wronged you. By staying upbeat and pushing forward, you'll naturally pull away from toxic people. Start each day with a clear and upbeat intent to shield your thoughts from any negativity that comes your way early on. Your inner strength and resolve will not only defend you, but also direct you toward a more satisfying life, away from those who fail to see your true value. Sometimes you might start your day with upsetting interactions, like a distressing text or call that spoils your mood before you even begin. If this sounds familiar, it's important to shut down those negative sources immediately. You don't need that kind of negativity affecting your day. Continuing to cultivate a positive mindset will open up new avenues for growth and happiness, replacing old anxieties. Connect with supportive communities and invest in activities that refresh and calm you. This nurturing atmosphere is key as it bolsters your journey forward, always lit by your resilience and divine guidance. Fully embracing this path means not only distancing yourself from negativity, but also moving closer to realizing your full potential. Your ability to persevere through tough times shines as an example for others who may be facing similar challenges, demonstrating that overcoming and thriving is possible. Keep advancing with confidence and hope. The rewards are just ahead, ready for you to claim them. Turning setbacks into success. If you had a bad day yesterday and went to bed feeling down, it's crucial to wake up today, ready to start anew. Clinging to past frustrations isn't beneficial. Often you'll meet people who don't recognize your worth or see your true capabilities. Thankfully, you're not fighting these battles alone. A higher power is working behind the scenes to protect you from those who wish you harm, particularly noticeable if you're going through a spiritual awakening. Try to keep your peace. Everything in life happens in its own time and way. Stay hopeful about the road you're on, even through the tough spots. These challenges are simply part of a bigger picture, and eventually, fairness will win out. As you deal with these difficult times, always try to find the positive aspects of negative situations. This recent hurdle could actually be nudging you towards a life that's more suited to you, one where you can succeed in new, exciting ways. It's too easy to get stuck in negativity, but staying strong and optimistic can turn these hurdles into stepping stones. Moving forward, surround yourself with positive influences and people who lift you up. Staying in a negative space and around downbeat people can sap your energy and skew your perspective. Instead, focus on building relationships that promote your personal growth and happiness. Also, use this time to reflect on what you really want and start taking steps towards those goals. This might be the ideal time to pick up new hobbies or skills that can lead to rewarding projects. The surprises life throws at us often come packed with hidden chances ready for the taking. Remember to practice gratitude as well. Being thankful not only increases positivity, but also opens up more possibilities for joy and success. Each obstacle you overcome not only serves as a personal triumph, but also as a beacon of hope and resilience for others. These victories build not just your character, but also the spirit of those who find inspiration in your determination. It's also essential to carve out time for personal reflection and tranquility. Engaging in meditation, relishing the beauty of the outdoors, or simply embracing a moment of solitude helps to rejuvenate your mind and soul. This peacefulness is a sanctuary that keeps you grounded and in tune with your deeper self. Let's continue to embrace these peaceful moments, allowing them to renew our energies and enhance our contributions to the world. Keeping an optimistic and vibrant attitude is crucial as it helps fend off negativity and maintain your inner light. As we move forward, let's stay committed to spreading love and striving for excellence, comforted by the knowledge that the universe is with us. If you find value in these thoughts, please show your support by liking and sharing this message. Our mission of disseminating joy and love doesn't pause. We will persist in our endeavors to brighten our surroundings with every step we take. Stay tuned for more updates, and until we reconnect, continue to shine brightly with positivity.